Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some colors: white, red, blue, green, yellow and black. These are the colors. Let's start to draw some shapes. Hexagon, rectangle, triangle. This is triangle. Draw a star. Star. Next one is circle. Square, square, circle, star, hexagon, hexagon, rectangle, rectangle, triangle, triangle, star, circle, circle, square, square. Let's start to color. Red, red color, blue, blue color, green, green, triangle green, star, yellow, orange, circle orange, indigo, square indigo, hexagon rectangle.